Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and how to customize widgets on HONOR X7d. To add a new widget on your phone, you have to perform a pin gesture on your home screen, then select Cards at the bottom of the screen, and here you can see the list of featured widgets. And if you are looking for a widget for a specific application, you have to scroll lower and find the app that you want to add a widget for. You can also choose some classic widgets right here, like the Amazon Music Clock, Gmail backup, and other different widgets. Now, if you want to customize a widget, you just have to tap on the available widget right here and then select one of the available options. Just choose whichever looks more appealing to you, and then tap Add to Home Screen and hold your finger down on it and align it on your home screen wherever you'd like it to be, just like this. And once you align it on your home screen, it will be added and you'll be able to see it every time you unlock your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.